Praise the Lord. I'm Margaret and I have a word of encouragement for you today. You're very special. I recall the words in Song of Songs chapter 2 verse 1 and 2. I'm a rose of Sharon, the lily of the valleys. The woman was speaking. She was taking herself as an ordinary flower because the rose of Sharon and the lily of the valley were the common flowers in Israel by then. But in verse 2 we see, so as the lily is among thorns, so are you among young women, implying that you are the lily among thorns. So you are not just ordinary, but extraordinary. Brethren, you are not just ordinary, you are extraordinary. Just as the lily is among thorns, so are you the darling one among the women, all the 7+ billion people, all of them women and men on this earth. Praise the Lord. You are extraordinary, just as a lily is among thorns.